Welcome back to This Day in Scottish History. I'm your host, Colin MacDonald. Today we explore an ambitious moment in Scotland's modern history. January 21st, 1992, when Glasgow formally discussed the possibility of bidding to host the 1996 Summer Olympics. Though the dream never materialised, it remains a fascinating chapter in the city's story of transformation and aspiration. In the early 1990s, Glasgow was undergoing a remarkable evolution. Decades of industrial decline had taken their toll, but the city was beginning to reimagine itself. The success of being named the European City of Culture in 1990 brought international attention, highlighting Glasgow's vibrant arts scene and renewed energy. Building on that momentum, city leaders saw an opportunity to aim even higher by exploring a bid for the world's biggest sporting event. On January 21st, 1992, Glasgow City Council held a special meeting to assess the feasibility of hosting the 1996 Summer Olympics. Local officials, representatives from sports organisations, and international advisors gathered to consider preliminary studies. These studies outlined the immense infrastructure requirements, the financial commitment, and the potential benefits of the Games. The idea was bold. Hosting the Olympics could provide a significant boost to Glasgow's economy, create thousands of jobs, and showcase the city to the world. It was also seen as a chance to inspire young Scots, fostering a renewed passion for sport and ambition across the nation. Local newspapers reported on the meeting with cautious optimism, reflecting a mix of excitement and realism about what such an undertaking would mean. However, the challenges were daunting. Glasgow lacked much of the necessary infrastructure. Venues capable of hosting Olympic level events were limited, and the city would need substantial upgrades to its transportation and accommodation capacities. Cost estimates ran into billions of pounds, a heavy burden for a city still recovering from economic difficulties. Additionally, the competition was fierce. By early 1992, other cities such as Atlanta, Athens, Toronto, and Melbourne had already launched well organised and heavily funded bids. Glasgow's late start meant it would face significant challenges in catching up. Ultimately, these practical concerns led to the decision to drop the idea. Despite this, the discussions on January 21st marked an important moment in Glasgow's development. While the city did not pursue the Olympics, the ambition it sparked helped shape future projects. Glasgow went on to host several high profile international events, most notably the 2014 Commonwealth Games, which became a landmark achievement for the city. Today, venues like the Emirates Arena and the SSE Hydro stand as testaments to Glasgow's ability to host global spectacles. The meeting also highlighted the importance of setting realistic goals. While the Olympic bid was a step too far at the time, it inspired Glasgow to focus on long-term investments in infrastructure and its reputation as a cultural and sporting capital. Reflecting on the events of January 21st, 1992, we see a city unafraid to dream big, even in the face of adversity. Although the Olympic dream faded, the ambition and forward-thinking mindset it represented have continued to define Glasgow's story. Thank you for joining us on This Day in Scottish History. Join us tomorrow as we uncover another moment from Scotland's rich past. I'm Colin MacDonald, and until next time, haste ye back.